Hi! In front of me is Samsung B2710 Solid, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, select Menu and then Apps. Now click on Voice Recorder and tap on this middle button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to edit and save it, click on this left button. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can access it by going into My Files app, then selecting Sounds, scrolling all the way down, and as you can see, my recording is here. You can play it by tapping on the middle button and stop it the same way. If you wish to delete it, choose Options and tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!